Luna on the canal to Droitwich. Not walking all the way down to Droitwich. Luna loves the rain. I took her a little bit further today. I usually stop at that bridge and walk back to Witch Road, but she's running through all the long grass, and she loves water. So although she's definitely not going in now, but she loves rain. So it's been spitting a bit. So I'm taking her. We'll go a little bit further and then we'll walk back, because it's a good 40 minutes back as well. So, well, say a good half an hour back. We tried to go that way towards Bumsgo, but there's a big white swan that didn't want to let us pass, so we gave up going that way, didn't we? All the little ducks jumped in the canal, but the big white swan refused to move. A bit like her, and yeah, she's quite stubborn dog. She probably would go over to lick the swan, but the swan's having none of it. I wonder if the swan's a male or female, I'm not sure. Oh, Luna, bloody heck, you're too strong, you. There's Witchbold over there. Not that way. How peaceful. Hear the sheep. Surprised you're not barking. You usually bark at sheep. Where's the sheep? Oh, there's the sheep over there. There wasn't anything to do today, so took you for a long walk. It was raining slightly, but it stopped. She seems to love the rain anyway, much more than hot weather. You were running, weren't you? Usually you're panting away, like I'm trying to kill you off or something. Meh, meh, meh. Look how wet you are, Lily. You need a good bath when we get back. You're all wet, look at you. Look at your coat, it's all wet. Should we have a slow walk back then, shall we? Oh, bloody heck. You can take my arm off, why don't you? This dog. You're overexcited just because you see a bit of wet grass. Yes, the grass is wet. Hallelujah. I don't get pooping. I've got poop bags on me, so that's alright. I've already pooped anyway. Yeah, so walking back to Witchbold, I don't want to catch flies in my mouth. So. Alright, oh, bloody hell, Luna. Alright then, bye people.